So now we learn regarding the biopsy of histamine. So histamine is a local autokite. It is mainly involved in the allergic reactions. And histamine, it is enhanced the gastric secretions. Histamine is a local hormones or autokites, or it is in the CNS. It is involved in the transmissions of the message from one neuron to the another neuron. So due to that, histamine is both local hormone autokine as well as the neurotransmitter. But it is acts as a local hormone autokine in the peripheral nervous system. So that local autokine is involved in the cause of the allergy, itching, skin rashes, and irritations. And as well as it can act on the gastric gland, enhance the gastric secretion. So whatever your acidity was increases, that is the influence of the histamines. Okay, so whatever any insects or anything can bite to you, so where certain redness itching is occurs within 30 minutes, so that is the role of the histamine. And after 30 minutes, once again the swelling itching was continue, edema is produces, so that is the role of the 5-HT, thromboxane and prostaglandin. But initially, so that within half an hour, so whatever the reactions or occurs allergy, that is due to histamine, it can releases in the particular site. So that's why it is known as the local hormones or autocat. So where if any insects bite to you, you are suffering from the skin rashes or allergy, where you are taken any antihistaminic drugs, that is phenyramine maleate, chlorpheniramine, many drugs are there from H1 blocker or antihistaminic drugs. If you are taken that drug means you are free from the allergy, skin rashes or whatever that insects can bite. So those area you are prevented simply by taking the any antihistaminic drug. But same histamine in the CNS, it is acts as a neurotransmitters. In the CNS, it is be having the involved in the transmissions of message from one neuron to the another neuron. Regarding the introductions, histamine is a amino acids or amine derivatives. It is derived from the enzymatic decarboxylations of the histidine. Histidine is a amino acid. So when the presence of the decarboxylase enzyme, that histidine is converted into histamine, then the histamine is involved in the to cause of the allergic reactions. Then here the histamine is a powerful gastric secretions. It can enhance the gastric secretion. So that's why we are taken the ranitidine. So ranitidine is a histamine blocker or antihistamine drug by blocking the H2 receptor and helpful for to control the gastric secretions. And here the histamine is also constrict the bronchial smooth muscles. So whatever the muscles are present in your respiratory tract, those are also constricted. So due to over secretions of the histamine during the allergy, we are suffering from the trouble in the respirations, or we are suffering from the bronchial asthma or asthma like activity. That is the role of the histamines. And histamine, it is also causes the vasodilatations effect on the blood vessels, especially cutaneous blood vessels. That is the smaller blood vessels, those are present under the skin. So those are vasodilated. So due to vasodilatations of the cutaneous blood vessel, the blood pressure is decreases. And here centrally, it is also acts as a neurotransmitters. Okay, so the histamine can be bioassay with the help of the guinea pig. So here the test substance preparation activity was matches with the standard preparation, because so on the guinea pig ileum the histamine it can cause the contractions. So with the help of the matching bioassay, interpolation bioassay or bracketing or any 3.4.6.8, the unknown concentration or the test concentration was calculated by comparing with the standard preparation. This is the basic principles of the bioassay of histamine. And regarding the requirement, when you assay the histamine by using the guinea pig ileum, so where you can require the student organ bath and as well as chymograph and aerators. And regarding the physiological salt solution, you can require the thyroid solution. And regarding the temperature, you should be maintain temperature regarding 32 degrees centigrade, and animal is a guinea pig. So where You can anesthetize the guinea pig by just hitting the rod on the head on the guinea pig, so that can anesthetize and expose the abdominal cavity. In the abdominal cavity, you can remove the ileum. So it is start from the ileocecal junction. So then you that ileum small amount, that is about 2 to 3 centimeter, you can put on the organ bath, and you can expose the various concentrations of the standard drug as well as the test drug. So like that, so this guinea pig is helpful for the biopsy of the histamine and drug regarding standard histamine solution 10 microgram per ml we required, because so that tissue is more sensitive in the small nanogram, it can use the response. So in here you are using the 10 microgram per ml as a standard solution, and standard preparation was prepared just by taking 10 mg of histamine, putting on the 10 ml of water, it become 1 mg per ml or 1000 microgram per ml. From this stock solution, you can take the 0.1 ml and dilute with the 10 ml of water, and it becomes the 10 microgram per ml. This must standard solution we are required for the biopsy of the insulin. And similarly, the same preparation whatever you can made by a test preparations. Okay, so here by with the help of the matching biopsy or interpolation biopsy or any other method, you can biopsy. Regarding matching biopsy, first you can record the response of the standards. Okay, whatever standard preparations are there, you can record the DRC of standard. Then later on, you can put the test responses and subject it to the interpolations. Or first you record the test responses, then later on you record the standard graph up to whenever any response it can matches. So then it is matches, then your practical was end by use the formula, that is unknown concentration is equal to dose of standard divided by dose of test into standard concentration. So here suppose here it is a 0.1, it is 0.2, this is 0.4 ml, and this is 0.8, and regarding test it is 0.1 and this is the 0.2. So this 0.2 response of test match with the 0.4 ml of the standard response, and standard concentration is 10 microgram per ml, and then use the formula, that is the unknown concentration is equal to dose of standard, that is 0.4, divided by dose of test, that is 0.2 in ml, into standard concentration, that is our standard concentration is 10 microgram per ml. This point is gone, this gone, 2 ones the 2 twos the 2 into 10, that is the 20 microgram per ml of test solution is present, or 20 microgram of histamine is present in the test preparation. So like that, with the help of the matching biopsy, we can biopsy the histamine, or you need more accurate, then you go for the interpolation. Still you require more accurate dose, then you go for the 3.4.6 point. So like that, the histamine can be bioassay, and also histamine can be bioassay. So with the help of the anesthetized cat and the dog. Okay, so dog is the one of the best animal regarding to study the drugs act on the CVS or cardiovascular system. So here you can anesthetize the cat or dog with the help of the charcoals and barbiturates, then note down the blood pressure initially. So later it can interconnected with the that is a animal sphygmomanometer. Then later on you can administer the standard solution and note down how much blood pressure was decreases, because the histamine by act on the cutaneous blood vessels, it can decreases the blood pressure. Then after that you can go with the test solution, then match the response. So like that, with the help of the anesthetized cat and dog, we can also bioassay the histamine. So like that, guinea pig, ileum and cat and dog, so they are helpful for the bioassay of histamine. Histamine is a local hormone or autokines.